I've got something high in fibre. Alright, welcome along to Joe Reviews. Happy New Year and all that shite. Today, I've got some of these triple treats. Got one from Bounty, one from Snickers. Picked them up in Food Warehouse and they were £1.75 each, and you get 4 in each box. And they're high in fibre. In fact, 75% of these is fruit and nuts. So, you know, if one of your New Year's resolutions to be a bit better and healthy, get some of these because they're high in fibre. I thought I'd try one of each before I head off to the gym in a sec. Yeah, there's the packaging. I'll just put the nutritional information there if you're interested. Let's crack them open and see what they're all about. So here's the Bounty one. Not a bad little size, is it? Let's open it up and see what it's about. So there you go. Looks alright, to be fair. Now, maybe it's me, but for a Bounty to be all nutty and that is weird. Because Bounty bars are not nutty. They're chocolate and coconut. You know, it's taken me a billion years to chew through that as well. It's alright. I don't really like the idea of nuts with a Bounty, so whatever. Now the Snickers one. Snickers are nutty, so, you know, this figures. So let's try one of the Snicker ones. There's a Snicker packet. I mean, I'll give them that. The packets are quite nice, aren't they? Anyway, let's try this triple treat one. There you go. Right then, the Snickers one is good. The Bounty one, absolute shite. The Snickers one, really tasty. Tastes like a Snickers should do. The Bounty one, what are they playing at? I mean, I've never got nuts in a Bounty bar before, so there you go. If you see them, I'd recommend the Snickers one. £1.75 in Food Warehouse and Iceland. Why not? Triple treat yourself. Until next time, smash a like, subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. See you later.